Wild animals. Which animal carries its baby in the pouch? The kangaroo carries its baby in the pouch. Which animal is our national animal? The tiger is our national animal. Do you know which animal is the largest land animal? The elephant is the largest land animal. Which animal runs the fastest? The cheetah runs the fastest. Which is the tallest animal? The giraffe is the tallest animal.
So ready for the dictation?
Yeah.
Okay. The first word is pant.
Pant.
Ant. Pant. Okay.
Done.
Next word is sunset.
Sit.
Sunset.
Sun. Sun. Set.
Next word is land.
Land. Land.
Okay, let's try a big word. Right? Fantastic. 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 Very good. Tick. You have to write C here. Okay, excellent. Next is a raindrop.
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 Rain.
I can't see. Keep your hand here. Raindrop.
Drop.
Next is unload. Unload.
Okay.
Unload.
Yeah. Okay.
Good. Next is lunch.
Lunch.
Lunch. And the last word is finish. Finish. Remove your hand, please.
Finish.
Excellent. Give it up.